Hey, what's up? It's Jordan, the Millionaire Millennial. In this video, I want to tell you why you're doing affiliate marketing completely wrong. Today I got on YouTube and I saw a video of this guy doing affiliate marketing, or claim that he was doing affiliate marketing. And he was just making some fake Facebook pages and running some ads to this crappy opt-in from ClickBank. And I feel like that's so many people that are actually doing affiliate marketing this way. They think, oh, it's a really great way to make a lot of money really fast, and you can just turn it over and you can just do it over and over and you can make a ton of money. But the reality is, if you're doing it that way, it's actually very short term. You're not gonna make a lot of money. And more importantly, it's what I like to call scam marketing. Scam marketing and affiliate marketing are two very different things. A lot of people think affiliate marketing is slimy and it's just these people trying to scam people out of their money. And that's because those people are doing scam marketing. And so you have all these other people that are out there trying to affiliate with programs and other people that they think are actually very helpful. And then they get downplayed because of all of these scam marketers out there. Now, what exactly is scam marketing? It's very, very simple and very, very stupid. You go to some site like ClickBank or JVZoo or Max Bounty and you find the highest paying offer, the ones that's going to pay you the most money if you can get as many people as you possibly can to sign up. And most of the time it's something that's not even relevant to you, like some offer a product on how to treat your diabetes, or maybe some dog toys when you don't have any dogs. There's a lot of different affiliate offers out there, but they're not relevant to you whatsoever. You don't understand the market, you don't understand the customers, but you're like, oh, it pays $5 for every person I can get to sign up, so I'm totally gonna do it. So then you just make some like fake Facebook page or some fake YouTube video or some fake website or whatever, and you just are like, this product is really, really great, it's so good, oh, blah, 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 and you just go on and on about how great it is, when in reality, you've never tried it, you don't even know if it works, and more importantly, you don't even care. Because as long as you can make your money, then it doesn't matter what happens to the end customer. It's not your problem anymore, is it? But the hard and unfortunate truth is you're ruining your image. When you affiliate with something that doesn't work, that you've never even tried, that you can't personally back up, then when it comes around that you're the one that's making it, it's not going to work out very well, because people want to buy from other people that they trust. And you really can't trust somebody that you don't know very well. And if you try to get to know the people that you're trying to market to, and they realize this person's never used this product before, how did they know that it works? Then you're going to be labeled as a scam marketer. You're going to be labeled as a con artist, someone's just trying to get money out of other people. And you're going to make everyone else who's trying to do affiliate marketing in an honest way look bad. So I really don't like people like you. So please stop doing scam marketing. Now, who would I be if I were to come on this video and talk about scam marketing and not tell you how to do affiliate marketing the right way? If you want to know how to do affiliate marketing the right way, get on Instagram and go look at Selena Gomez, go look at Taylor Swift, go look at all of these other incredibly famous people that are doing affiliate marketing all the time. For example, Selena Gomez affiliates with Coach. She's constantly making posts about Coach. She does stories on her Instagram about Coach. Every time she makes a post for them, Coach is paying her, I imagine, an exorbitant amount of money in order for her to post that single picture with her holding a Coach purse. That is how you do affiliate marketing. You're not spamming people. You're not talking about, oh, try out this brand new product, blah, 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 blah. It's so great. Everybody knows Coach. Everybody knows it's a great product, but everybody wants it because Selena Gomez uses it. You have to build an image for yourself. You have to show people that you are the expert in a particular field. Selena Gomez, a lot of people look up to her as an expert in fashion. Same with Taylor Swift and, the Kardashians and all these other people. But the point is, they're doing it right because they're already at the top. They're already pretty famous. And so anything that they say is good, people are going to buy it. And brands know that. And so they want these people to affiliate with their brand. They want Selena Gomez to make a post about Coach because then they're going to sell more Coach purses. Now you're probably thinking, Jordan, I don't have millions of followers. That is nowhere relevant to me whatsoever. I don't have any sort of following online. I don't even know anything about affiliate marketing. I don't know anything about any of this. The answer is you can start really, really small. And that's okay. You don't have to have millions of followers. You don't even have to have thousands of followers. Even if you have just a few hundred people following you, they're interested in whatever it is that you're talking about, and you make a post to sell a $5, $10, $20 product, odds are at least a few percent of those people are going to buy it. And that's going to in turn make you a few dollars. And obviously the more people you have following you, the more people are going to buy anything you affiliate with. So you can start really, really small and grow it. But the point is, you need to make it valuable for the person that you're affiliating with. You have to show that that particular product is actually valuable. You have to use it yourself. You have to understand it. You have to be involved in that market, and you have to know your customer. You have to know your followers. Get to know them. Because if you don't know your followers, then you don't know the market, and you shouldn't be affiliating with anybody. So please, all the scam marketers out there that are making these fake Facebook pages that are going on and on about how great these products are that they've never even tried, you've got to stop it.
Get some help.
Make an Instagram, and if you're not comfortable making a brand image of yourself, you're not comfortable with creating a following around yourself, that's completely fine. You can make a following around anything you want. Go to Instagram and look at these themed pages. They've got pages for landscaping, for culinary arts, for regular arts, for dance, for everything you could ever imagine. Make a following based around anything that interests you, anything that you think is really cool, that you want to learn more about. Make a following around that. Build an Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You don't have to be the center of attention. You can make it about something else. You don't even have to show yourself on your Instagram page at all. You can just post pictures of the different things. Like if you wanted to do dance, if you were interested in dancing and you thought dancing was really cool and you wanted to, make an Instagram page about dance, you don't have to make any pictures or post about yourself, but you can repost the other stuff, all the different things, and you can get involved. You can talk in the comments with your followers about the different dance moves that you like, or the different arts of dance, or whatever it is that you do when you're talking about dancing. Obviously, I don't know. And then every now and then you make a post, say, hey, I got these, tickets to this dance show, or, you can buy one, get one free at this shop where they sell dance shoes, or whatever it is, any sort of product related to dancing. And odds are people are going to buy it because they're like, I like this person's page. I like the content they're putting out. I like the person behind the page. I like to communicate with that person, and I enjoy that person. And the most important thing of all is that I trust this person. And when you can build that rapport with your following, and you put out any sort of product that you've actually tried, and be sure to actually try these things. Don't just start throwing things out there. Try these things, and then when you actually promote them, people will want to buy them because they trust you, because they know that, hey, anything that this person says about dance is going to be 100%. It's going to be the top of the line product. And that is the best, and in my opinion, only way that you should be doing affiliate marketing. So please, once again, hashtag stop scam marketing. I hope you enjoyed this mini rant / educational video, and I will see you in my next one.